Welcome to the VEMA Dojo, where every chart tells a story and your entry is the first move in the plot. In this video, we'll be checking out how to use the Market Entry Trade Simulator to take control of your narrative. On the chart here, we are looking at Ripple on the 1 hour time frame and checking out the instructions. It says identify support and resistance, choose your trade direction, set your exit point, and hit simulate. So let's do exactly that. I can see we have got a resistance level up here where we've actually just hit recently. I've picked that one because of this level and this level both hitting the resistance zone, and here we've also just hit a pretty solid resistance zone. I then need to go ahead and draw in a support zone. I can see one down here at about 225, and there's also going to be another one down here at $2. So I like to look for big fat round numbers, and $2 is a big fat round number as evidenced from right here. Now that's enough for me to say I think I want to take a short on this trade. However, we do have use of the indicators as well. So I might want to add on a MACD. And I can see on the MACD, if I hold my Alt key down on Mac, that would be Command, and scroll down, the chart will stay in the same spot, which is really, really handy. So I can see the MACD indicator is rolling over at a support level. Oh dear, that's not a good sign. And if I zoom back out again, and then I will add on, let's say, the OBV, to check out what volume is doing here, and I can see resistance zone at this level. Then if I come down to the indicator of OBV and draw that at the same level, oh wow, well price did go higher over here. It did not have volume supporting that move. So that gives me more confidence that it is time to short this market in the simulator. So I can double click on the chart. That will get rid of my indicators and give me more space to do a trade with. I'm going to choose my direction. Thanks to my technical analysis, I feel confident in going for a short. I will put my stop loss just below the recent structure. I'm picking on this candle's wick, and I'm also picking on the structure of over here. So I've got some support levels here that I can use for my take profit. I can put one here, but because this is the VEMA Trader Simulator, I've got access to all of the trading tools that VEMA has for me to use as well. So I'll expand open the risk management section. And here I can say, let's switch our stop loss over to say a trailing stop loss. And then I will also add on another take profit. So click on add, and now I'll take my second take profit that's been added and take it down to, let's front run $2 a little bit. All right, so zooming out, this looks like a pretty good trade. If it was to play out correctly, that would give me a risk to reward of 6.27 to 1. I like that. Let's go ahead and click on simulate. Give it a few seconds to run, and here is my trade fully played out, ready to go. On the left-hand side, we can see the account grew by 6.9%. If this was a real trade, this is a paper trading simulator, basing itself off a $10,000 account, that would have grown the account by $690. We've got a breakdown of all the fees involved as well in the trade. I'm going to double click on the chart to get rid of the indicators, giving me more screen space. I can zoom in and I can see where the entry was. All my drawings are on the chart. Price came down, hit take profit number 1, and then fell further and hit take profit number 2. Oh, look at that, right at the $2 big fat round number mark. Brilliant. The green box here is showing you what your overall risk to reward was, while the two green lines are showing you where the individual exit orders were. If you got the trade wrong and you wanted to go ahead and rerun the simulation and see, rightio, now that I know what direction price is going to go, can I spot what the trade is? You can go ahead and click on retry. This will take you back to the simulator, ready to go, no drawings on the chart, so you can go ahead, try again, and learn some more. Now you've learned the tools, it's time to train like a ninja so you can go and conquer the charts.